Welcome to the Digital Product Creation course, your step-by-step guide to earning passive income. Nag-iisip ka ba ng products na pwedeng pagkakitaan online? Nowadays, madaming online businesses ang makikita natin sa iba't ibang social media platforms. For sure, habang nagsascroll kayo sa newsfeed nyo, napansin or na-encounter nyo yung digital products but you're not aware how to create or sell it. In this video, I will show you how can these digital products become your unlimited source of income. If interested kayong malaman, watch this video until the end. This video will have 5 parts. Una, alamin natin what are digital products. Second, ano ba ang digital product creation course? Third, what are the benefits of this course? Fourth, where and how we can access this course. And lastly, how can you earn from this course? So let us start first with defining digital products. Digital products are items na pwede nating ibenta, i-distribute, at i-access online. In short, ito ay mga intangible products. For example, planners, templates, courses, ebooks, background music, and the like. Ito yung mga digital products na pwede nyong pagkakitaan online without having them physically. For sure, you're thinking, paano ba kami gagawa niyan? Dito po papasok yung ino-offer natin na digital product creation course. So, what is digital product creation course? This course is your detailed guide on how you can create your digital products from scratch. Here, tutulungan namin kayo paano nyo i-market yung mga digital products ninyo, lalong-lalo na nowadays, halos lahat ay online. So, tutulungan din namin kayong mapadali ang process of selling your digital products through automation. We will also discuss how can you use artificial intelligence para makagawa ng unlimited products na pwede nyong ibenta. And most of all, we will help you start your business via reselling this course if in case you want to skip the creation part. And we will explain that further, so keep watching until the end. So, itong course natin ay may 12 pre-recorded modules wherein tuturuan kayong i-utilize ang digital products as your source of income at your own pace. Speaking of your own pace, isa yan sa mga benefits ng digital product creation course. Let's discuss further ano-ano nga ba yung mga benefits ng digital product creation course. As I mentioned earlier, you can learn at your own pace kasi these are pre-recorded training. So it means there's no need to worry na mapapag-iwanan ka or may ma-miss out ka na topic because you can just play and pause the videos. Since everything is digital, this course is flexible and accessible for everyone. Let's say nagtatrabaho ka ng full-time job, student ka pa lang, or isa kang stay-at-home mom na sobrang busy or hectic schedule. Pwede ring isa kang OFW pero gusto mong magkaroon ng other source of income. Pwede mong ma-access to anytime and anywhere as long as connected ka sa internet. For sure, iniisip mo na paano yan, beginner ako or wala akong idea sa mga ganito. Don't worry, kasi beginner-friendly itong course na to. And madali lang sundan basta make sure you pay attention and follow all the instructions in the videos. Do not skip any part because this is a step-by-step guide na kailangan nating i-take note. Dito, pwede kayong gumamit ng mobile phones, tablets, desktops, or laptops. However, we encourage gumamit ng laptop or desktop if you really want to start sa pag-create ng sarili ninyong digital products. Pero, as a starter, pwede yun namang gamitin yung available gadget na meron kayo. Speaking of pag-create ng digital products, dito, hindi nyo kailangan mag-hire ng tao, mag-rent ng physical store, or mag-isip about logistics. Kaya mo gawin lahat yan online. Hassle-free, right? It means, meron kang unlimited opportunities sa paggawa ng sarili mong digital products as your source of passive income. Hindi mo din kailangang mag-worry kasi meron tayong community in Telegram wherein pwede kayong mag-message para humingi ng help or simply share your wins and insights. Not only that, meron din tayong coaches na gagabay and tutulong sa inyo para mag-grow yung business nyo. Pero take note lang, this is a business and walang instant success. If you have passion and commitment to earn passively, enroll in this course. However, we cannot guarantee 100% income because it still depends on you. Like in any other businesses, your efforts and how you market the product is very important. You are the captain of this business and everything lies in your hands. This course is for those who are willing to learn and put a hard work. Given all the benefits of this course, paano and saan naman natin ma-access itong course na ito? Pwede nyong i-click yung link below para ma-access yung ating website and marireroute kayo dito as what you can see on the screen. For 1,899 pesos, magkakaroon ka ng lifetime access sa ating course with all the inclusions. We are giving a discount from the original price. By now, you are already asking, paano naman kami kikita dito? You have two options. Una, you can create your own digital products and sell it to the market. Learn everything from scratch via this digital product creation course. But, if sobrang busy mo and wala ka ng extra time mag-craft ng sarili mong product, ang second option is we are giving a master resale rights to those who will enroll in this course. By just paying 1,899 pesos, pwede mo nang ma-resell yung course na to and earn 100% commission. Yes, you heard that right. You will have your sales all to yourself, no deductions. Once you avail of this course, aside sa mga modules, you will also get freebies such as Blueprint course, Digital Product School, ebooks, Canva templates, promotional emails or the Done For You products, and more. Hindi mo na kailangang mamblema. All you have to do is market it and turn those inquiries to sure buyers. Whether you are a beginner or a totally clueless about digital products, enrolling here is your first step to enjoy earning even when you're sleeping. Dito, literal na your money works for you. In case you still have questions, ilalagay na lang natin yung link ng social media accounts and FAQ section below. If you're still undecided, you can read the testimonials from our student as proof that this is legit. Again, don't miss this chance to change your life today. We have limited time offer, so hurry and join us now. That's it for today and looking forward to seeing you again.